Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be painting this Mexican cactus with acrylic paint on an 8x10 canvas. So let's get started. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and sketch it out. I'm just going to use and I've already gessoed my canvas, and it's had long time to dry, weeks actually, but you want to give it at least I would say 24 hours, but just make sure you're working with a nice clean dry surface. So let me go over the colors quickly with you. I've got pink parfait, king's gold, limeade, laguna, and sky blue, and perhaps a bit of bright blue. I'll probably do a mixture of these. So let's see if this is the color we want. It is much closer to the color we want. We'll put a tad bit of white on there. Gets a nice color variation going. It's been a long time since I've worked with acrylics. And, oh yeah, that's the color we want right there. Okay, I'm not going to overly mix it. I'm going to start by coming into, this would be much easier on a little turntable thing, but we're just going to do with what we got. Okay, so I'll go ahead and paint my edges. That way I don't really have to worry about framing it if I don't want to. There we go. Now I'm just going to start painting it in a bit. Maybe a little bit darker down here. If I really want this to stay wet longer, I could add some matte Floetrol to it, I think, but I think I'm not gonna. And I'll worry about smoothing it as I go. Because honestly, a few strokes I like that. Okay. I'm going to come back in up here to my lighter color. I'm just going to work around like that. So I want to go ahead and begin to smooth out some of this. That's too thin. I'm going to be mixing some. And then I'm going to get darker as I come this way. That's kind of the plan anyway. But I think I'm going to bring in some of this Kelly green as well. Because it needs to just be a bit darker for me. Now I'm going to come back here and get some of this. These back here are a lot more on the yellow side, including this Dobby Dob thing. That one's more of a yellow. Those you have to get down your darker color. I don't think it's wrong to work from light to dark. Right now, I'm just trying to block in the majority of the color. Make sure I got this. Okay, now I want to bring in some of my purpley pink. I'm going to add some of this purple in with the pink. And I want some color variation in this. And I'll let that dry for a while. So this is dried, and I'd like to experiment a little bit with my Floetrol. So I'm gonna put a bit of the Floetrol, an acrylic glaze. So if you want to do more transparent layers, then that would work. So I'm going to come in here and with a softer brush, and I'm getting just a bit of the Floetrol, and I'm going to mix it with some of this blue. And I'm going to come in here and start glazing over it. Just means adding another layer. I don't want to go over it too much, but I feel like I do want a little bit more darker in here. Now I'm going to come in with some, most of this is in the light. This is going to be darker in here. And I'm just going to continue to work my way back. I probably should have worked forward, but alright, I'm okay with that. Now I'm going to come back in to a darker green. I'm actually feeling pretty good about that. Come into a little bit more of the pink purple. I feel like I need a little bit more red in that. So I'm going to come in here. Alright, now I can start adding my spiky spikes. How are we going to get those? Okay, the brown with the yellow maybe. I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. It sure helps my channel grow. Until next time, thank you.